Hi, this is Sarah from sheholdsdearly.com, and I'm going to take you on a garden tour today. Now, in the past, I've shared her house. It's modeled after an 1800s cottage, but it's a modern house. So it has the amenities of a modern house, but it has all that character, that old world charm. And I will link those two posts below so you can see part one, you can see part two. But today I'm excited because we finally can get a garden tour in, and I have Tanya here with her little buddy Woodruff. And this bunny was actually bought from my daughters back when they started their little lop-ear bunny business. So, and Tanya, you have a background in gardening, right? You've done
a little bit. I never went to school for it, but I did go to floral design.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. But in high school, I started working for a greenhouse.
How old were you?
So I was probably 17, 18 at the time. And then after that, we moved to a different state when I got married, and then I worked at a greenhouse in a different state for about 4 years.
So, and you told me that probably the most helpful thing or the most enjoyable thing is that you learned how to actually propagate from cuttings, right? And you've tried to help me with that before. We tried to propagate boxwood. It didn't quite work out, but
that's right. Some of the woody,
some of them don't do as well as others.
Right. But I love taking cuttings from a plant and making new plants from it.
Yeah. Good. Okay, so Tanya has a little greenhouse. She has a little garden. She's done a really good job. How much land do you have here?
Just shy of an acre.
Oh yeah, that's good. So then it's on the edge of a pond. We'll take you over there. So beautiful little view, just this cozy little spot in town, and I'm excited to show you. So let's get going. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly and I share my professional design advice and our vintage home life. All right, take care and I'll talk to you soon.